The tech world is buzzing with leaks that Microsoft is preparing to kill off Windows 11 in favor of a mind-blowing new era of Windows 12. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. With Windows 10 set to retire in late 2026, the stage is perfectly set for a massive supercycle that could force millions of us to upgrade their gear. This isn't just a fresh coat of paint, it's a total reinvention of how your PC thinks and works. Codenamed Hudson Valley, this new system's being built from the ground up to be an AI powerhouse. Forget having to click a button to find a file because Windows 12 will likely understand what you need before you even finish typing. The famous taskbar is rumored to float with stylish rounded corners, making your old desktop look like a relic from the 90s. But there's a catch that might sting your wallet. To get the full experience, leaks suggest you'll need a brand new AI PC with a specialized chip called an NPU. If your current laptop doesn't have the muscle to handle 40 trillion operations per second, you might be left in the digital dust. Under the hood, the system's becoming modular, meaning it can shrink down for tablets or beef up for gaming rigs without breaking a sweat. Gamers can look forward to even faster loading times and AI that adjusts your graphic settings on the fly. While the basic version will likely stay a one-time purchase, big spenders might be able to subscribe to a premium Windows 365 service for extra cloud power. Microsoft hasn't officially said the word 12 yet, but the signs are everywhere. The future is coming fast, and it's smarter, sleeker, and hungrier for hardware than ever before. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.